welcome back in next lecture. So in this lecture we will discuss how to set up Java in your system. So first steps, we will download the JDK software. Second step, we will download the Edit Plus software, and third step, we will configure the path of Edit Plus. So let's go how to download the JDK software. So go in the Google. So we will go in the Google and type on here download JDK 8. So I will use JDK 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 8 version. Okay, so go here and click on the first link, and after that you can go here. You can see be having the multiple flavor of OS. So which OS you are going to use, that JDK exe file you have to download. So you can see I am going to use here Windows 64-bit. So you can check it in your which bit you having in your window. So I'm using the Windows 64-bit. So I will go and you can download this exe file. Just click on this and click on this JDK. So in my account is already there in the Oracle. If you don't have a Oracle, so what you have to do, you have to create an account for the Oracle. Okay, so still you are not able to do, just ping me, I will help you out of that. So in my system already having the JDK, just I'm going to do cancel here. And after downloading this JDK, you have to install, right? How to install the software, you know, right? Just click next, next, next. So after installing this JDK software, go in the C drive, and we have a program files. Inside this we have a Java folder. Inside this Java folder we can say we have a two folder, JDK and JRE, right? So here we will find our JDK is installed properly. And next lecture we will learn how to download Edit Plus and how to configure the Edit Plus software. Then we will start how to start your Java coding. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture.